It's amazing how many dirty surfaces that we come in contact with day in and day out that cause us to spread harmful germs within our safe spaces. Thankfully, there's a way to disinfect and sanitize your vehicle easily and effectively. Simoniz ready-to-use interior car surface sanitizer, disinfectant, and deodorizer is now available. Simoniz wants you and your family to remain safe, so here's the proper way to disinfect and sanitize your vehicle. First off, here are some quick notes. We will spray all surfaces of the vehicle from 6 to 8 inches away to ensure that the surface will remain wet for 10 minutes. Also, you must have a starting point and an end point to be sure that nothing is overlooked. I recommend beginning on the front driver's side of the vehicle and working your way around counterclockwise, making sure to overlap each section as you move about the vehicle. Note, do not spray into any open electronics. It is a good idea to make a mental note of high-touch areas in the vehicle such as control knobs, touchscreens, seat belts, etc., so you don't forget them. We will start with the interior of the driver's door, spraying all surfaces with the RTU product, especially high-touch areas such as door handles and window controls. Then we follow to all surfaces including seats, seat belts, and body pillar before moving to steering wheel and surrounding cockpit. You will notice that all glass is sprayed as well. Don't forget to look up when sanitizing and disinfecting, as there are often high-touch areas above your line of vision. Notice that we spray the moonroof and then close to ensure that we spray the headliner and nothing is missed. Continue spraying all hard surfaces throughout the vehicle in the same manner. Do not forget third row seating or cargo areas as well. Now remove the floor mats so you can easily spray them entirely. Note, you can spray rubber and carpeted floor mats in the same manner. Now let's spray the soft surfaces in the same manner, making sure that they are able to share the same max dwell time as noted on the product's label. Spray all of the carpets as well as the headliner as you work your way around the vehicle. When the product has dwelled on the surface long enough, it is time to wipe the hard, non-porous surfaces. With a clean towel, work your way around the vehicle in the same manner that you applied, wiping the glass, plastic, rubber, and vinyl surfaces. When cleaning the glass, we recommend using a glass cleaner such as Simoniz Vision Clear to ensure perfect clarity. Be sure to wipe the rubber floor mats before returning them to your car as well. Carpet floor mats can simply be returned once the carpet is dry. Soft surfaces do not need to be wiped. Be sure to also spray and wipe your keys upon completion. Your vehicle now is back to being a safe environment for you and your family.